Here we're gonna take a look at how to replace this trunk latch on a Mitsubishi Outlander. The first thing that you are going to do is remove this panel. As you can see, this panel here has no bolts or screws. All it has is this white plastic retainers. And to remove this, what you'll do is you'll put a wedge in here and just pop it off. It comes right off. You have to pop off the sides a little bit. On this side right here, but that's pretty straightforward. Then you come here. Now on the back here, you have one electrical connector that you need to unplug, and the whole latch is exposed. Now, this connector can be tricky. You'll need to press there and then pull it. But once you do that, then the rest of it is really simple. You have 1, 2, 3 bolts. Once you take these 3 bolts off, then you pull this off to the back. All 3 bolts are removed, and there's the latch off. And then you just reinstall it in reverse order. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Thank you for watching.